Today, we will be unboxing Outback Power's newest SkyBox True Hybrid Energy System. The SkyBox model we will be unboxing is the SPX 5048 120-240, rated for 5 kilowatts in any direction, 48 volts DC input, and split phase 120-240 volts AC. The entire SkyBox system is shipped in a single box, weighing in at 134 total pounds. Box dimensions are 23.75 by 19.75 by 37.25 inches. Alright, to open the box, you will first need to cut the band from the bottom. Then, use the side handles to lift the top portion of the box straight up. Inside, you will find the SkyBox itself, balance of system or BOS, and the accessory kit. The SkyBox has an environmental rating of NEMA 3R, so it may be mounted either indoors or outdoors. The SkyBox is an all-in-one intelligent power conversion solution that has a grid-tied battery optional inverter charger, charge controller, and remote controller display built in. The SkyBox dimensions are 21 by 9.25 by 30 inches, weighing 87.7 pounds. The BOS dimensions are 21 by 9.25 by 17 inches, weighing in at 23.6 pounds. The BOS is fully assembled in the factory with all the wiring and disconnects. You will also find a wall mounting bracket that is 4.6 pounds. And finally, 2 accessory bags, one with a remote temperature sensor, a red and black 14-inch cable, and a green ground wire. The second bag contains the BOS mounting brackets and hardware. For mounting instructions, please refer to the SkyBox system mounting video. Thank you for watching.